today will be an episode of Pimp My Trailer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the race trailer out here that you can see, and we're going to do a complete makeover and see what we can do to get it going. We're going to strip down all of the walls, clean down the inside, put in LED lights up on top, put in a new floor, pull all this cabinetry out, redo that. I've got new cabinets, reset up the lights. There's some of the old stuff that's on the walls. Now we've got down here is the new cabinetry and new floor. I'm gonna go to a silver gray color for the whole thing and put in LED lights. So a little Pimp My Trailer. All right, Pimp My Trailer update. Trailer's almost got the wall off over here to replace the bad wood. We got all the racks off of the wall, pulling the counter out. Wade's over here is getting the screw sorter out. And you can see here we're trying to pull. There's the mess that we've made. So we're making progress. That's a whole bunch of hand cleaner from the hand cleaner dispenser that exploded onto the floor. So that's kind of where we're at. And we'll put in another update soon. All right, little Pimp My Trailer update. Got a wall up, got the cabinets out, got these wires all exposed. Gonna have to run some electrical to it. Ordered the 12-volt lights to replace all the top lights. All that's out, winches out, all the connectors are out. So now we're really ready to start putting things back together. We started on the wall, we got that much of the wall done, cleaned out, touched up the fenders on the inside, and we'll just start preparing it, getting ready for the paint work in here, and putting the trim back on. That's kind of where we're at. That's our Pimp My Trailer update. Well, we got Wade putting together one of the drawers, and here's where we're at on Pimp My Trailer. Cabinets are basically, the drawers are put together. The cabinet to go inside is assembled. So we're done with that. It's pretty heavy. It's a few hundred pounds. We'll be able to put that in. Here's the mess of what we took out. Here's the wall cabinet. That'll be going back in. Some of this will go back in. Some of it won't. The painting is done. So we've completed the painting. The second coat is drying. You can kind of see a few glossy spots. That's where it's drying at the second coat. That looks pretty good. Got the ceiling in. It's a little different texture than the rest of it, but it'll work. We got the trim on. The wall put back together. So that's where we're at today. Gonna call it a night here at Dark Horse Racing's Pimp My Trailer. Good morning. It's Pimp Your Trailer again. Here we are in another morning. Our demo is right here. So there's the first load of demo to take to the dump. Started cleaning up. We got a lot done last night. We started this morning with just getting the new floor laid in. So you can see that we've got the new flooring going in. Just laying it down and getting the cursory cuts done so that we can then start to trim it out. But we think that the slate floor is gonna really look. The paint dried up pretty good last night, and just had to go through and touch a couple of spots that we missed with the roller. But everything's looking pretty good, so stay tuned. We'll give you more of Pimpin' My Race Trailer. Well, Pimp My Trailer floor segment. The floor is down, looking pretty good. We're now starting to put the trim back in. We decided that satin black was good for the trim, so we've repainted all of it to satin black. You can see there where some of the trim is along the wheel well. Floor laid down good. Everything is coming out really nice. So we will send you some more later, but that's where we are with Pimp My Race Trailer. We are again at Pimp My Race Trailer. Here's where we're at so far today. The beaver tail and tailgate are done. The floor is in and all the trim. The walls are done. Trim is in. Ceiling is done. Fans are hooked up. Waiting on the lights to come in tomorrow. We started with the cabinet. That cabinet there has to go next to that one. That one there, we're bolting that into the floor. That goes all the way to here, which leaves an open space so that my big toolbox will slide all the way in and reside right here and come down to about here. So that will work out well. But we're almost done putting the cabinet in. Have to mount that vise still. And then we have some work to do on this door cabinet. Replace that cabinet, put that cabinet back in, put the tire racks back in, the jack house, and then start pulling all these stickers down so that we can repaint the trailer. So we'll have these remade. So we'll redo the Corey Spates and Eddie Brand stickers. Fixed a couple pieces of trim up there, still need to be fixed. Here's where we started pulling down the stickers on this side. You can see that we've got those off. And we started pulling this one down. We'll get that all done. Then all of these have to also come off so that we can repaint the trailer. So that's where we are. And about to stop for the day, and we'll get started again tomorrow on Pimp My Race Trailer Day 3 going into Day 4. Trailer Day 4 video update, Pimp My Race Trailer. Where are we at today? Well, as you can see, the winch is back in, the cabinetry is in. We've got the upper cabinet in, working on power. Got our nut and bolt bend down here. They all fit in just fine. So we got all our metric, all our nuts and bolts, all nice and tidy. Everything locks. Upper cabinets are all organized with all the stuff that we need when we're racing, brake parts, Holley and MSD parts, just like going into AutoZone. And as you come around to the outside of the trailer, Wade's over here working on battery box and electrical power for the winch. So we put in a new platform. We'll tie in the battery out here, a little better than the loose battery we had inside. And then helping us also today, we got pulling off all the stickers on the side of the trailer. As you can see, it's just a lot of fun, and he's really enjoying here on Day 4 of Pimp My Race Trailer.
Yes, sir.
So here we are. It's Day 5 of the Paddock and Race Trailer show, Pimp My Race Trailer. In Day 5, we're getting pretty close to done. Here's how we're looking so far. Tire racks are up, all the LED lighting's in place. The cabinets are all put up and done. We're getting back to organize the uniform rack and helmet carrier. Place to put your Hans device over here. And as you come around, we have our fuel jug rack. We got new fuel jugs on the way. So then we come back around, we get all our straps, place to put all the straps and equipment, radios, all of our storage. The cabinet came out great. And we've got the winch, everything hidden under the trailer now except for the winch, and then a protective cover to go over it. Here's all of our uniforms hanging. Fire extinguisher down here at the bottom. Here we go. First aid kit coming across. Then our other cabinet for miscellaneous fuels and stuff. We'll get all that set up. Come around. Got our outside cabinet up, door painted, everything looking good there. Of course, we'll put 2 rolls of paper towels here. That'll hold all our paper towels. Our pressure gauge and our pyrometer sit there. Then we come around to the front of the trailer. There's our new battery box, and it's coupled into the wiring of the truck so that not only does it power the trailer, but will also provide power. And then we put a 110 outlet. We're gonna hang that tomorrow, and that'll give us a place to put in for our 110 off of the generator or the power. And then we've got left to do is get the trailer de-stickered is really the rest of what we've got to do. So we'll need to get this sticker off, these off, the Rolex HSR stickers. And then as you can see, our lights are back up and operating. And then our tailgate easily flips up, closes There we go, and then we've got those stickers to get off there. So there we are for day 5 of Pimp Your Trailer. It takes about a week, it looks like, to get one completely done.